105 degrees Fahrenheit in California.
Blue sky come bearing up before us. We hang on the hem of your gown.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Ariel's channel. Today our YOLO life series takes us to a rolling hill. I'm checking out this spot because I'm potentially going to join another YouTube channel for shooting here next week. So I want to pre-check out the spot to see if I can find it, if this location is pretty enough in terms of scenery. We are in a heat wave. It's currently 107 degrees outside. I'm in this parking lot and I see one car parked there. I don't know if there's someone inside. It's a little scary because I'm the only car besides that car. I'll park here so that I'm ready to escape if that suspicious car do anything to me. And I'm under a shade like this, which is much better since I'm not planning to cover up the front. Okay, it's 105 degrees Fahrenheit and it's 3 p.m. in California. Hey friends, I've officially settled into my parking spot. Suspicious car that we passed by earlier is gone, and I saw the man driving it out. He looks actually pretty normal. I have another suspicious car, also a man driving it. I mean, they're probably all just normal people, normal cars. It's just I'm a little scared because I'm a woman and I'm at a place where there's no cell service right now, no security guard, no camera. We're 105 degrees outside. I'm not sure why these cars would even come. I was expecting only myself here. But yeah, I'm just gonna stay here and kind of keep an eye on them. I'm gonna settle in here, drink some iced coffee, work on my videos that I'm supposed to upload on Friday, and today is a Wednesday. I also see some signs for new homes on the water, but I don't have internet right now, so I cannot search. We'll see how the rest of the day plan out, and this is kind of why I like van life, because I can just do whatever, be able to pull over and just call this home for the next few hours at least. I'm going to make some water first. It's iced coffee in my tumbler. Wait for that to filter off. I have 83% battery left. It's currently almost 107 Fahrenheit in the car. But when I'm under this AC, like if I'm directly under where the air comes from, then I still feel it's okay. I've been thinking about where to drink this. I wonder if this is a spot or maybe I find a lake first. This is my favorite. I haven't drank it, but just by the look, I really want to save for a special spot to drink this. Other than that, I have beer, which I won't be drinking because I need to prepare myself to escape and drive soon. And I have this, I might drink this tea. I'm gonna mix these two. Let's try this mixed drink. Tastes pretty good. I'm still being really alert to see if there is other cars pulling in. Oh, the temperature in the back of the van keeps rising. It's 107 Fahrenheit now. I do feel a little bit hot, but not extreme. I have all the window cover on for these three sides. I'm gonna stay here for longer, sit under the AC, close my curtain so that I can keep the cold air inside the bed area. Oh, nice.
Blue sky come bearing up before us. We hang on.
This is a snack that I usually keep inside my refrigerator because it's too hot, and now I get to enjoy it with the tea I just mixed, and I have some iced coffee in here. I'm going to work on my video now.
There's a darkness in the valley.
It sounds kind of wrong to say that out loud, but it feels kind of good I didn't bring my dog, because in the past, before we get to our campground, it's still very hot in the van. They would be hanging out in the front. They won't go with me to the back and just be directly under the AC. Even though my van is super small, but being able to cool the entire van with the AC will take a lot of electricity, and I kind of want to save on that, so it is actually less stress without a dog. But I think it's still doable with a dog. It's just that we probably have to turn on the engine AC as well to keep the front area cool, because my dog likes to hang around wherever they want. Sometimes they hang around the front, sometimes they hang around with me on the bed. Anyway.
There's a violence under our feet, running stitches.
I was just checking to see how much electricity is left. 70%-ish, and now it's 4:45. It's 5:30 now. I'm trying to go to another place to see if I can get myself in front of the water so it'll be cooler. I'm in the front of the van right now. It's much hotter than it is back there. We're gonna go to a place called Discovery Bay. I've heard of that place multiple times. I checked Google Map. The Discovery Bay Marina is already closed. It will reopen tomorrow at 8 a.m. But I'm gonna go check my luck and see if I can get something around the water. We have arrived at the marina. I don't know if I'm at an actual parking spot, but there is ocean or bay behind me. The view is pretty good. I did see a gentleman in a golf cart when I was parking earlier. I'm not sure if he's the employee and will he kick me out. But I'm just gonna stay here. Yeah, let's explore this marina.
You take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. I feel so free. Oh, my sweet baby. I was never the one to give up the ghost. No, I was so stuck. I kept on playing my part, wanted to give it cause nothing was changing. But with you it's so clear, and now that you're here I see colors in every spectrum. Guess I finally learned my lesson, cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. I feel so free. Oh, my sweet baby.
The situation changed a little bit. I back into this spot so that we will have a better view. I talked to the guy that I said was in the golf cart. His name is actually Jesus. Thank you, Jesus, if you're watching this, to letting me stay here for a couple hours. It's almost 7:30 now. I'm going to make dinner. Probably stay here until sunset-ish. It's still 96 degrees in the van, but I'm just going to keep my back door open because the view is so good and the temperature is definitely dropping. Yeah, it's very nice here. I feel very grateful and fortunate to find this place and talk to the guy who's looking after the space, and he actually allowed me to stay here. We're at 58.7% battery. Inside, it's only 99 degrees now. Oh man, I cannot get enough of this view. Look, there's something about the wind gently blowing these rice. Is it the rice field? It's healing. Unfortunately, I cannot capture the wind sound from here, but I can hear it and it's so nice. And here is my view to the right side. I'm only going to set up the small folding table for dinner today because we're not staying here for too long. I don't feel like setting up the full-blown lagoon table. For dinner today, I have brought from home the salad from Costco. Oh, kimchi pancake, some chicken wings. Now that we have a perfect view, I can finally drink this. Oh, so nice. Let's open this. Cheers. Wow, this is so good. Oh, it has calories. No wonder so good. Wow. I have the fan on, therefore there's still good air circulation and I feel cool enough to cook. Okay, let's take out the cooking supplies. This one, that should do it. I have my cooking oil. I'm afraid it's gonna spill, so I put it in a Ziploc bag. Real van life. I'm so excited and happy. I always forget which one goes first. I think this one turns first. Yes. We're going to cook the kimchi pancake first. Well, is that too much oil? Oh, that feels too hot. No. Turn off. Okay. I feel this pan might be too thin. It gets hot super fast. Here is our kimchi pancake. Oh, okay. I think now it's too cold. My van is slanted. I hope it doesn't fall off. Okay. Let's make some chicken. This pot is seriously too thin for this. Next is salad bowl. Dinner is served.
Side by side, we sway there in all the colors.
Whoa, looks good. Wow, this view. This is a nice thing about summer. And I noticed California have a lot of marina that I can just pull into and kind of have a hangout like this. All my eyes going here, they're stick together, so. Much better with ice. Whoa. While we were eating, the battery charged for the camera, so I'm turn off the inverter now. And water pump I still need, we're at 57%. I parked under the sun and the solar was charging it while I was eating. Last chore is wash out the pan and we'll pack up and leave. How the sticky came out fairly easily.
There's something I could use. A cure for the air conditioner.
Then
Could use some too.
okay, we're clean up, packed, and ready to go home. I'm just gonna drive over there and then run to get my camera, so not putting on the seatbelt yet. Close the gate. Okay, let me go get my camera and figure out how to get out of here. Okay, the gate is already closed. Jesus said he was gonna close it at 9, but it's 8:30 now. So, oh, actually no, wrong gate. There's another gate to get out. We're good. I was gonna check out the waterfront home, but first it closed at 5, and I wouldn't be able to go inside because it was already 6 when I decided to go. And also, it's another 30-minute drive. Next time, let's check out some waterfront new homes. Alright, I'm heading home now. Let me park over here to summarize. Overall, today, I think it's pretty nice, even though it was over 100 degrees most of the day, even in the van. I was able to stay cool by drinking ice water, ice drinks, just have the AC point at me. That got me cool enough to survive. I think it would still be a little bit of struggle to survive in heat wave or this hot weather every single day in a van, especially if I have the dog with me. But when I have the dog with me, I guess I just have to spend more money turning on the AC up front with the engine on, have the oil running. It's just very expensive, but it's needed for dog to stay cool, because if we just depend on the AC around my bed area, it's not sufficient enough to cool down the entire van. Unless I cover all the windows, then maybe it will do. Yeah, I think I will be able to survive summer heatwave van life. Today is a success. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you haven't already, consider hitting that subscribe button. It really helps out my channel. And thanks for following along. We'll see you in the next YOLO Life series. Until then, take care and see you in the next one. Bye bye. Frying a pancake in my van. Somehow this gets me so happy. Oops. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, you come outside, do this. This is so fun. Change to a new area, meet new people with a new view, and cook the things I like. Ah, love this. I have put more to-go chopstick in my van, so I'm gonna use that today. Ah, it's hot. Okay. Alright, I have oil left. I'm gonna use it to make. Loving my campsite today. There's a yacht going out. And check out my view back.